Has appeared before court today. Our reporter Tobias Chanji is there bringing us up to speed with what is happening in Shanzu. Good afternoon, Chanji. What do you have for us today?
Very good morning indeed, Paul Makenzi, the embattled pastor, together with his wife and 16 other accused have just appeared before the principal magistrate, Yusuf Shikanda, and the court has just been adjourned for a few minutes. Then the final verdict will be given later. Remember that the 18 are appearing today to just know their fate, if they'll be remanded for more days. Remember when they appeared before the same court on 10th May, the prosecution was seeking to have them remanded for 90 days. But what the court did was that they were given 30 days, which the accused will be remanded. Then the court had also directed the prosecution to make sure that when they appear today before it, they'll rather submit a status report. So for an extension, if they so wish. And today the prosecution has been arguing that the 30 days were not enough, and they want to extend another extension of about 60 days, making it 90 days. And they've also been arguing that this is hinged on the fact of, especially when it comes to capital offenses, and one of the offenses that the prosecution is also seeking to charge the 18 include terrorism. And according to the law, with terrorism, someone can be held for even a maximum of 360 days, which is 5 days short of a whole year. And we've also received some counter submissions from the lawyers representing the 18. There are 3 lawyers, that is George Kariuki, Wycliffe Makosembo, and also Elisha Komora, who said that they've received some submission from the prosecution as late as today in the morning, and therefore it will be harder to respond to some of the issues that have been raised, although according to them they are against the extension of further 60 days. Remember that these 18 are accused of being behind the Shakahola massacre, where we know by yesterday 245 bodies had already been exhumed, and that exercise has been halted for a few days to give room for the post-mortem that it should be ending, so as to clear the morgue at Malindi. And therefore we'll be waiting for the principal magistrate, Yusuf Shikanda, who just said that he needs to go for prayers in the mosque. Then thereafter he'll come to listen to the remaining submissions before making the final verdict. Back to you in studio.